In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 10 images at once with Nano Banana. We'll do this using Google Gemini's built-in image tool, and the secret is a precise prompt that tells Gemini to return a batch of 10 in one go. First, open Google Gemini in your browser and head to the main app page. At the top navigation, open the Tools section. This is where Gemini groups its creative utilities. Choose Create Image and you'll land on a clean canvas with a prompt box along the bottom. Click into that box to activate it. Everything that follows flows from what you type here. To get 10 images at once, be crystal clear about three things: quantity, subject, and style. Mention the Nano Banana style by name, state that you want exactly 10 distinct images, and explain how they should relate. For example, you might say, using the Nano Banana style, generate 10 images that share the same theme. Keep lighting and composition consistent, vary small details between each image, and deliver them in a square format suitable for social posts. Feel free to pause here and craft your own version. If you're unsure where to begin, ask Gemini in a regular chat to help you draft a clean prompt, then paste that refined text back into the Create Image box. As you write, spell out what stays consistent across the set: subject, camera angle, color palette, and aspect ratio, and what can change, such as backgrounds, accessories, or poses. If you have a target use case, add a note like print ready, thumbnail safe, or high contrast for small screens. Avoid vague wording. Clarity reduces mismatches and helps Gemini deliver a tight, coherent batch. When your prompt looks solid, click Submit. Gemini will process and return the images together. Give it a moment. Batch requests can take slightly longer than a single render. When the set appears, scan through it to confirm it followed your directions for quantity, consistency, and tasteful variation. If something's off, iterate. Tighten your constraints, reorder priorities so must-have elements appear first, or simplify phrasing to remove ambiguity, then submit again. Small prompt edits often produce big improvements in the next batch. And that's it. By navigating to Tools, selecting Create Image, focusing your prompt on 10 outputs in the Nano Banana style, and submitting, you'll reliably generate 10 images at once, ready for review and use.